Today we will see how to draw iron-carbon equilibrium diagram. How to draw iron-carbon equilibrium diagram. In that, iron-carbon equilibrium diagram is the graph which shows the relationship between temperature versus percentage composition. The temperature plots on y-axis and in x-axis percentage composition. Then from this here the 0% of carbon. Okay. In iron carbon equilibrium diagram means iron is the main constituent and carbon is secondary constituent. Means 100% iron present here on 0% carbon. In that case, from this we can start the iron carbon equilibrium diagram. Here this is temperature 723. Okay. This is 723. This is 910 degrees Celsius. Temperature in degrees Celsius. This is 1401. This is 1492. This is 1539 degrees Celsius. And this is 1550 degrees Celsius. This is 1130 degrees Celsius. Okay. First of all, we denote certain. This is liquid. This is gamma austenite. This is alpha ferrite. Here delta ferrite. Okay. After this liquid, and in this region liquid, from this liquidus line, and this is solidus line. In this region liquid plus gamma austenite is present. In this here liquid plus delta ferrite present. In this region delta ferrite plus gamma austenite. Okay. In this region austenite plus alpha ferrite. Okay. And in this region liquid plus cementite is present. After that, this is which reaction? Eutectic reaction carried out, and here eutectoid reaction carried out, and here peritectic reaction is carried out. For this, we know that the eutectic reaction carried out on this temperature 1130 degrees Celsius and having composition 4.3. Okay, and this 6.67. This is 2.0. This is 0.8, and here 0.008. Okay. After that, here eutectic reaction carried out means liquid get converted into lead borate, gamma austenite plus lead borate means alternate layer of austenite plus cementite. cementate carried out as it is plus lead eburite means austenite plus cementite. After that, here austenite plus cementite. Here which reaction is carried out? Eutectoid reaction is carried out. For this, the austenite get converted into pearlite means alpha ferrite as it is plus pearlite means alternate layer of ferrite and cementite plus cementite. Okay, here cementite as it is and the austenite get converted into pearlite means alternate layer of ferrite and cementite. Okay, in this region austenite get converted into pearlite plus lead eburite means austenite get converted into pearlite plus cementite. Here also same cementite as it is lead eburite in bracket pearlite plus cementite. After that, this is a C3 temperature line means this line, and this is ACM temperature line, and this is A1 temperature line, and the plot number is plotting A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is S. This is last K. Okay, this is the complete ion carbon equilibrium diagram. In that case, which one is left? The region means here is pure ion and this region is hypo, this is hyper, which cast ion? This complete region is known as eutectoid steel, and this is after that 2.0 to 4.3 hypo, and after that 6.67 hyper. Which region? Eutectic cast iron. Okay, this is the complete iron carbon equilibrium diagram. After that, we show the which reaction carried out, and this can be happen on further. Okay, thank you. This is the complete iron carbon equilibrium diagram. Thank you.